When it comes to your car, we know compromise is not an option. Which is why we've created Whispbar, an integrated rack system designed to look and perform as well as the world's best automobiles. Our winglike aerodynamic design, 10 years in the making, reduces drag up to 70% and drops noise interference to nearly zero. Low drag also means better fuel mileage and reduced carbon emissions. Aesthetics and performance in perfect harmony. Meet our lineup. First, our flush bar. This bar seamlessly integrates with your car's lines to create a stylish silhouette. Second, the through bar enhances beauty with added carrying capacity. For vehicles with factory-installed rails, the rail bar is all you need. Rail bars easily latch onto your factory rails, giving your wagon or SUV a premium finish and full functionality. Every facet of Whispbar has been designed intelligently, even down to the way it attaches to your roof. Introducing SmartFoot technology. This system seamlessly integrates the Whispbar to your vehicle like no other. Featuring 7 core series of fitting kits, each is engineered to match a specific vehicle roof type, then custom designed to your vehicle's exact make and model, resulting in a pure and secure fit. And because Whispbar has been so thoughtfully designed, base rack assembly and install have never been easier. This revolutionized system also simplifies the purchasing process. Simply choose the bar style that best enhances the design of your vehicle, and we'll recommend the fitting kit that's been engineered for your make and model. 2 boxes and you're done. The journey, uncompromised. Whispbar.